Owengamele ezempilo KwaZulu Natal uNomagugu Simelane-Zulu uthi umnyango wakhe uzophenya ngezizathu eziholele ekutheni isibhedlela iSaint Augastines sibe nesibalo esiphezulu sabantu abatheleleke ngegciwane iCorona. Abantu abangamashumi ayisithupha nesithupha batholwe banelali igciwane kulesi sibhedlela, abangu-47 kubo bayisebenzi zalesi sibhedlela kanti sekushone abantu abane.
We will continue and then have an in-depth investigation in relation to that so that we are able to understand what actually happened and what has led this particular facility to have such a number of infections and such a number of deaths, by the way, because of the deaths that come from KwaZulu Natal, 5 of them are linked to this particular hospital, and it is quite concerning. So once we've received a proper investigation as the Department of Health, then we are going to go through the proper legal channels and speak to and follow them. If there is anyone who should be held to account, we will not at any given time hesitate to make sure that people are called to account. But we don't want to jump processes, and we are following.